Hello! As those of you that are following me on Instagram, have you seen that I have been building this adjustable bench tester for my glow engines. I do have a lot of old glow engines that I'm going to test and see who's still good and who's not worth saving. So I thought I'll go through some of the features with its colossal tester. Normally I have always just threw together an easy tester when I'm going to break in a new engine or something like that. But due to that I'm going to use it on a lot of engines, I have made this adjustable one. I have engines that's, like this small Cox engine. I'll give you a close-up of it later. But like this OS 10, that's going to be tested up to this Super Tiger G20 23cc two-stroke engines. So I needed something that's adjustable to match all sizes. So I'll show you some close-up footage. I have made this adjustable part here for the different engines. As you can see, right now is it an OS FS-91 Surpass that's not been running for 20 plus years. You'll see in the end of the video a test run of this engine. I made 3 slots here to adjust the height of the carburetor for the push rod to go through, and if it's going to the left or to the right. I made this shield to shield the electronics, fuel tank and those accessories behind from the methanol. Back here we have the tank. I have installed a huge tank, so I don't have to refuel so much. On the servo have I adjustable servo arm, so I can adjust the travel of the carburetor, and I'm using a servo tester and a 3S LiPo and a U-back tucked inside here. Glow drive, easily accessible. So that's the majority of it. It's been painted and coated 6 or 7 times with lacquer afterwards, so it should hold up to the methanol quite well. And I am running this in a Black & Decker bench, so I can just clamp it directly in the bench, as you can see. And these are some of the engines that I have. This is not all. As you can see, there are some difference in size. So it's quite fun still to keep on flying with the glow plugs and glow engines. So I'll cut into where we are testing this beauty that's not been around for over 20 years. Thank you.